Life is a journey filled with unpredictable twists and turns, and as we navigate through the bustling streets and open highways, ensuring our safety becomes paramount. In this fast-paced world where every moment counts, having a reliable companion to document our travels becomes more than just a convenience. It becomes a necessity. Enter the Vantrue E3 3-channel 2.7K Wi-Fi Dash Cam, a cutting-edge device designed to provide 100% protection, impeccable clarity, and advanced features that redefine the driving experience, capturing every angle. A triple defense system. The Vantrue E3 is not just a dash cam. It's a 3-channel guardian that records the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously. Powered by the Novatek dual chip, this innovative dash cam captures footage at an impressive 1944 pp+1, ensuring that every detail is crystal clear. This triple defense system goes beyond a conventional dash cam, offering complete coverage to protect you from potential traffic disputes and fraudulent claims. Unparalleled night vision. Starvis infrared technology driving doesn't stop when the sun sets, and neither does the Vantrue E3. Equipped with Starvis infrared night vision technology, the interior-facing camera with 4 infrared LED lights ensures accurate capturing of the driver and passengers, even in low-light conditions. With WDR and HDR technology, coupled with upgraded Starvis image sensors in the front camera, the dash cam automatically balances light and dark areas, providing clear videos and images in poor lighting conditions. Dual recording for comprehensive safety. The Vantrue E3 takes safety to the next level with dual recording capabilities, simultaneously capturing the front and cabin or front and rear views at 1944p+1 80p 30 fps. This dual camera setup provides double protection for your safety, creating a safer driving environment and ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. Inbuilt Wi-Fi and GPS speed. Connectivity at your fingertips. Stay connected and in control with the inbuilt 2.7K Wi-Fi, allowing for faster data transfer. The Vantrue free app enables you to live view, configure, file, browse, download, and share your road experiences easily on your phone. The included GPS module records your driving route, location, speed, and time in real time, allowing you to review precise GPS information on Google Maps via the free Vantrue player and app, all without the need for a subscription. Hands-free voice control and wireless controller. Driving made effortless. The Vantrue E3 brings convenience to the forefront with hands-free voice control, featuring multiple basic voice commands in English, Japanese, Russian, and Chinese. Simply command the dash cam to save video, take photos, start or stop recording, and adjust settings while focusing on the road. The wireless controller further enhances the hands-free experience, allowing you to capture scenic moments and lock emergency videos with ease. 24/7 parking mode. Vigilance beyond driving. The Vantrue E3 doesn't rest when you do. In buffer motion detection mode, the dash cam automatically records 15 seconds before an event and 30 seconds after, providing a comprehensive view of any incident. The low frame rate, 1 second, 1 frame delay recording, and low bitrate recording in parking mode ensure efficient storage space usage, making it ideal for prolonged recording periods. For continuous parking mode recording, a separate hardwire kit, available separately, is required. Reliable witness for accidents, built to last. The Vantrue E3 is more than just a witness. It's a reliable partner in the face of unexpected events. Loop recording ensures the oldest files are overwritten when the memory card is full, while the variable sensitivity G sensor automatically detects sudden shake or collision, locking emergency videos for disputes. The built-in supercapacitor ensures the dashcam's power source is durable, withstanding extreme temperatures from 14 dF to 158 dF without compromising performance. In time-lapse mode, the camera captures frames for a time-lapse video, efficiently saving SD card space. Easy installation and customer satisfaction guarantee. Installing the Vantrue E3 is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface and straightforward windshield mounting process for both front and rear cameras. With an extendable 18-month warranty, 24-hour customer support via email, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee, Vantrue stands behind the E3, providing peace of mind to every driver. The dash cam supports up to 512 GB micro SD cards, not included recommended Vantrue SD card, ensuring ample storage capacity for extended recording periods. Conclusion: in a world where safety and documentation are paramount, the Vantrue E3 channel 2.7K Wi-Fi Dash Cam emerges as a beacon of reliability. Its triple defense system, advanced night vision, dual recording capabilities, inbuilt Wi-Fi and GPS, hands-free voice control, and 24/7 parking mod make it a comprehensive solution for drivers seeking to enhance their safety and security on the road. Invest in the Vantrue E3 and turn every journey into a securely documented adventure. Thanks for watching.